In this lesson, I'll be talking about the scenario manager under what if analysis. In the following lessons, I'll be covering all the functions here, goal seek, data table, as well as forecast sheet. And for the scenario manager, it is to create different groups of values and scenarios and switch between them. This is useful when you want to show different scenarios of your data to your manager or to the audience of you. Now let's have the data introduced here. So we have banana sales quantity, we have the price per banana, cost per banana, and the profit here is calculated using the sales quantity times the price per banana, you can see the formula here, minus the cost per banana. Now this formula is a bit senseless here, so let's create a name for each of the cell you can see clearly. So let's highlight the columns, go to formula. Now go to this create from selection. So it is good for us to highlight the header as well as the cells and create from selection. Now we have the top row. So the cells here will be named according to the top rows. Let's click OK. Now you can see that the cells, rather than A2, it is banana, sales quantity, price per banana, etc. And the space here is being replaced by underscore because the name doesn't allow a space. So the Excel automatically, intelligently do this for us. Now you can see that the profit is this formula. But you will see that this naming will be super helpful for us to derive our scenarios. Let's go back to this data, what if analysis. Now go to the scenario manager. We add a new scenario, for example, our June sale. Let's highlight the changing sale. So the June sale, we want to change the banana quantity and price. For example, let's say the June we sell more bananas, 200. The price probably higher. So let's change the values for June sale to 200 for the banana per quantity. So by using the name, you are able to see the name here, banana sales quantity, rather than A2 here. So it is easier for us to identify. And price per banana is, for example, higher price 120. And click OK. We have one scenario here. And let's add more scenario for July sale. Same changing sales, so we didn't change it. The comment, leave it there. And the protection, we don't need to change it, and click OK. Now let's set it to the same value. July sale, let's say the same, 120 and 100, so we didn't change it. Click OK. Now we add a August sale. Let's say August is very bad month. Changing sales is the same, but the price and the quantity drop to 100. And the price, let's say, drop to 80, and click OK. Now we have 3 months. So if we want to see the June sale, we just click on show. We change this, and the profit will be automatically updated using the values from these two cells. So the changing, we only focus on these two, and profit will be automatically updated for July. Let's show it. So July is 120, 100. The profit will be 2,400. August, we show it. This will be the value because the price and cost is the same. So the profit is 0. So August is a very bad month. We just want to clear our sales, clear our stock. Now we go back to this scenario manager. We can see that there are a list of functions here. Let's click on the summary. We can create a scenario summary report. It will be open in a new cell. So the result cell here is D2. And we click OK. Now you can see that the result cell, this D2 will be using the profit, which is the name of this cell, profit. And the value will be changing accordingly. Now this is the changing sales values, and this is the profit. And all the scenario will be listed down here in a pretty Excel worksheet. And you can show this report to your manager or audience for different scenarios. June sale, July sale, August sale, and current values. Now we go back to these scenario managers. We also can do this for the pivot table report. Let's click OK. Now we have a pivot table report created using this scenario, August, July, and June, for the profit of it. And last but not least, if you make use of this report, if you make use of these scenario managers, remember to set the formulas, calculation options to automatic. If you use manual, things will not work correctly. For example, if you choose manual, if you change the price per banana to 200, it will not change automatically. You need to click on it, click enter, and it will change. And if you go back to the scenario manager and show the results, all the results will remain the same because it will not change automatically. So let's change it, and let's make sure that it is automatic here for formula calculation option. The other thing is that for the scenario manager, the what if analysis scenario manager, the merge, we can choose the scenario from others Excel files or worksheet to import them under this scenario, so we can have more scenarios from other worksheet as well or workbook as well. Now this is the scenario manager.